In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set it up. Let's dive right in and get your video streaming like a pro. Your first step is to navigate to the Restream homepage. Once you're there, the next move is to click on New Stream. This is where the magic begins, where you begin the journey of broadcasting your content to the world. Now that you've started your new stream, you need to choose video, or, if applicable, video or playlist, as your stream type. This is crucial because selecting the correct type ensures that Restream knows you want to work with pre-recorded content rather than something live or entirely playlist-focused. The third step involves uploading your video. You can do this by selecting the video file from your existing uploads or recordings. So, if you've already stored your video on the platform, you're good to go. Just pick the one you want to share with your audience. This is an integral part of your preparation, so make sure the video is exactly how you want it and ready for viewers. Next, it's time to set the event details. This step includes entering a catchy title and a succinct, informative description. You'll also need to pick the exact date and time you want your stream to go live. Being clear and engaging in these details can make all the difference in attracting viewers and ensuring they know what to expect from your content. Now we come to an important option, enabling looping. As you set up your video event as a pre-recorded stream, you'll see an option to tick a checkbox for looping the video. Alongside it, there's a field where you can specify the number of times you'd like your video to loop. To give you an idea, you can choose to loop the video up to a maximum of 10 times. This feature is incredibly useful if you want your audience to have multiple opportunities to catch your content, especially if they miss the beginning. Before you finalize everything, you'll want to toggle your destination channels such as YouTube, Twitch, or whatever your preferred platforms are. Double-check that each channel where you want the content broadcasted is activated. This ensures that your video reaches the widest possible audience according to your plan. Finally, once all the settings are in place, go ahead and click to create the event. At this point, Restream will take over and handle the broadcasting process exactly as you specified. When the event goes live, your video will replay the number of loops you set, appearing as a single, continuous stream to those watching. This seamless experience is not only professional, but keeps your audience engaged across various platforms. And there you have it. You're now set up to let your video reach corners of the internet you're aiming for. Stay tuned for more helpful tips and tricks on optimizing your streaming experience.